and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to be talking about black rice water, but before we get into that, and you know sometimes rice water be stinking, okay, but before we get into something that stinks, we're actually going to be talking about something that actually smells really good, because Scentbird is sponsoring this video. So shout out to you guys for sponsoring this video. But if you guys do not know what Scentbird is, it is a monthly subscription and they have over 600 fragrances. Okay, so if you are into perfumes, colognes, whatever, Scentbird is the way to go, you guys, because they give you a 30-day supply of fragrances. But to be honest with you, sis, between me and you can use it more than 30 days, girl, because I done had mine for so long. I actually keep them in my travel case and keep them in my carry-on because it is TSA approved. But they did send me some new scents, you guys, and if you don't know, they come into these nice little velvety little situations. I don't even know what you call it, little drawstring bag. It's so cute, isn't it? Like, how cute is that, sis? And look at the packaging, sis. Like, what? Look at that. And you just twist it up just like that, and then you spray. I ain't used this one yet. I ain't want to use it because this is my product candy, girl. I already know what this is. But there you go. Oh my god. Give me life. Oh my god, I love this scent so much. Product candy. What? This is my favorite scent, you guys, and I always keep this in my, I always smell like product candy, girl. Like I said, I have three. I have product candy. I have Gucci Envy Me. I think that's what it's called. And also another one that they chose for their scents. I'll put them all in the description bar below so that you can try them out as well. But girl, listen, I absolutely love these things. So the good thing about Scentbird is that you get to choose your own fragrances. So let's say you go into Sephora and you like a scent and you like, listen, I'm not about to pay $200 for this perfume. Go get your subscription service, girl. It's only, I think, $15 a month, but you get a 30-day supply, girl. And I also heard from a little birdie that Scentbird also have like skincare now and little bath bombs and stuff like that. So be sure to check that out. I'm going to add everything in the description bar. I also have a 30% off coupon code that I will link in the description bar. So make sure you check that out if you would like to try it out. If you want to smell good, definitely get into that Scentbird. But now let's get into this black rice water, which I'm not so really thrilled about because you know how rice water be, girl. Okay. You guys probably are like, girl, what is black rice water? Well, let me show you. So I do have a clip of me actually concocting the black rice water, but this is the black rice that I use. I got this off Amazon, y'all. This is the Earthly Choice all natural black rice. Look at that. I did go ahead and whip together this black rice water I'm showing you guys right now. So as you can see, I added some rice and added some water, y'all. I do not measure how much I'm putting into what, but I let that sit for like 3 days. When I did it for 24 hours, it didn't smell, but I let it sit for 2 more days and then it started to smell. So I know a lot of people are like, my rice water don't stink, and I let it sit for 24 hours. Well, I have to let mine sit until it stinks, sis, because they say when you let it sit for, you know, a little bit longer, let it ferment a little bit, get that smell, that means it's a nice, good cleanser. So just keep that in mind when you are making this rice water, that sometimes it's not going to stink within the first 24 hours. You got to leave it a little bit longer, friend. But I did leave it, and then I did put it in the refrigerator, y'all. This is how it looks. Like, look at it. You can see the black rice at the bottom, but like all this water. I hope I have enough. But you guys know I'm going to try to put it in my bottle. My hair is already shampooed because I had so much gel on my hair, y'all. So I was like, let me get that gel out my hair. So my hair is already shampooed, and I went ahead and shampooed with the Miche shampoo, which is a moisturizing shampoo, which is really good because you want to make sure you have some moisture protein balance. So I am going to go ahead and add everything to this spray bottle, and then we're going to come back and we're going to apply it and see how it works because I ain't never tried it. We trying it together, friend. Oh, I forgot to let y'all know what it smells like. It definitely stinks, but not to the point where I'm like, oh my god, I cannot take it. Smell a little moldy. Yeah, it's not that bad though. It's not as bad as regular rice. So this is what the rice looks like after I've pretty much put it all into my water bottle, and I have quite a bit of water. We are ready to apply this rice water, you guys. Like I said, I already shampooed my hair, and that's all that's done to my hair, is it's just shampooed. So this is what my hair looks like with nothing on it. So I just went ahead and sectioned off my hair because I just want to make sure that we get this rice water on everything. So basically you just spray it, girl. That's it. Just spray it on your hair. Like I said, it do stink, but it's not like bad like the rice water was. Okay, so I just realized I don't want to get my robe all stinky, so I'm about to switch to a towel and I'll be back. And then I put on something lighter, so now y'all can really see my hair. So now let's get back to it. Y'all know that the way I found out about black rice water is from Miriam, and I will link her video in the description bar, you guys. She tried it out and she said it was really good, and then she got me when she said it ain't stink, honey. And she didn't leave it in as long, like she didn't let her sit as long as I let mine sit, and she got real long hair. So I mean, definitely follow her if you're looking for length. You know, I'm not looking for length, I'm looking for protein, just making sure my hair is nice and healthy. Definitely look like it got some shine to it still, just like the regular rice water does. But they say this is the forbidden rice. Ooh, so we doing forbidden shit for him. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this section out, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray the rest of my hair with the rice water. So I have applied all of the rice water to my hair. Well, not all of it. I'm gonna go apply some more, but this time I am gonna let it sit. It is now, I think, 11:10. Yes, it's now 11:10, and I am about to let this sit on my hair probably for like 30 minutes, and then I'm going to come back so you can see how it looks after 30 minutes, and then we're gonna rinse it out and all that good stuff. So let's go. Okay, I know I done changed clothes and I look different every scene, but it is now 11:39 and I'm done with it. I need to go ahead and rinse this out. I just put all this stuff on it, girl, because it was dripping, dripping, dripping. This is after you let the rice water sit. I got hella shrinkage right now. So let's just pull it down. See what it's looking like. It doesn't feel hard. It feels very soft. So this is what my hair looks like. The rice water is still in my hair. I haven't rinsed it out yet. So basically, I'm just going to go ahead, rinse this out, and add the rest of my product. So I'm going to go ahead and deep condition and then go ahead and add my leave-in. But so far, so good. I will let you guys know. This is just pretty much me trying it out. But of course, you don't know how rice water really acts on your hair until it's pretty much long term. I had went in the mirror because I was like, I need to really, really see what's happening with my hair. So y'all, my hair is feeling thicker right now. Like, it's really feeling thicker. I don't know. Like, my hair hasn't felt like this in a minute. Like, really, really thick. Like, I'm gonna have a really hard time with my wash and go today. It's not a bad thing. It's a good thing. I really wanted my hair to feel like big and thick like it normally does, because it's really been feeling very like limp and thin like, but it's feeling thicker right now. I really like this black rice water. I am going to be using this in my routine because I do like how my hair feels thicker, but it's still soft. It feels really good, and I'm excited about wash day today. I just washed my hair, conditioned, and I have the deep conditioner in right now. But I must say, this is the best my hair has felt since I was diagnosed with the moisture overload. I diagnosed my damn self, but you know what I'm saying? This is the best. My hair feels thick. The way that I know that this really did change is every time that I get in the shower and I put water on my hair just gets really flat. It just goes whoop, because my hair is so moisturized, so when water goes into my hair, it's just like more moisture, more moisture. But now when I went into the shower, y'all, I had to lift my hair. I had to really get that water in there because my hair was saying, sis, we not at moisture overload no more. And my hair feels so thick, and my curls, girl, they popping. I am probably going to do this once a month, Not every week, no ma'am, but once a month I am going to try to do it. I'm just going to make sure my hair has enough protein and that I'm good to go monthly. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to try some black rice water. I do have it in my Amazon store. So make sure you guys click the link in my description bar because I'll have the Amazon link below. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.